Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. My name is Maxi. I am an ex-JW. I am here. I wanted to share my story after I left Watchtower, and I also wanted to share some of the things that happens after I leave Watchtower and how life still goes on. Life, you can move forward, you can still get some of the things you want to get done. So with my story, I did not want it to end there. I didn't want it to end like as to okay, this is my Jill story, and then that's it. I wanted to continue with different things that I was facing in life and different things that I wanted to share. My last video and was in English that I talked about that I graduated. I did graduate college. I got my bachelor's. Um, I also want to put a pause on the English side of my channel because I said that it was gonna be bilingual because I speak Haitian Creole and English. But I realized I see that there's there's a need. We can't help it, can we? There's a need in the Haitian community, man. But no, I want to focus more in the Haitian community. I want to focus more with on the Creole side. So I don't want to be doing English during Creole, doing English during Creole. So for those that do speak Creole, I will be putting um, Haitian Creole contents on there, and you will see. But for those that don't speak Creole, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you for welcoming me in the community. But I just want to do more with Creole. I wanna indulge more with the Creole because I don't know. I didn't get to do that as much. I mean, I wasn't Haitian Creole, but I want to do that. And if something comes up, different things, I might post English video. But as for now, we're just gonna speak Haitian Creole. Okay, we're gonna speak Creole, and that's it. But that's pretty much it for me. Um, I wish you guys well. I wish you continue on your healing journey. Whew. And man, I wish you well. Okay?